All right, so if you are getting this error, not that one, that one there, if you're getting this error, charge system service soon, that means the battery under your hood is going bad, or it's pretty close to being bad. So we're gonna swap it out. All right, so I purchased this one. It's from Walmart. This is the 4-year warranty one. They said that any issues within 4 years, I can bring it in, they will swap it for a brand new one. This one was better than the one they had at Sam's, and it was $199 at Sam's, and it only came with a 3-year warranty. So I went with this one with a 4-year warranty. This is what's going in. It's H7. So here we go. All right, so if you haven't replaced a battery before, what you want to do, especially well, on any car battery, you always want to disconnect the negative terminal first. This way it'll prevent any kind of sparks or anything. If you were to do the positive and then maybe your metal tool would touch some metal surface or something, that would create the ground, and you just don't want to do that. So do negative terminal first, then positive terminal, and then you still have the strap here, and that is this thing right here. So you'll take a socket, and I believe it is a, let's see, 13 millimeter socket goes on there. We'll loosen that up, and that will loosen the strap that's holding this battery in. So we're going to do that real quick. Be right back. All right, so I undid that one first. I undid the positive one next, and then I removed this strap, this piece right here. You can see it. I just folded it over. There is another ground connector that is connected right here. I did disconnect that because you don't get a lot of slack with this piece here. And I put a piece of cardboard underneath there just because there wasn't a lot of room to move. So I didn't want it to make a ground connection while I was working on it. But as you can see over here, I did the same thing. Just put a piece of cardboard down behind it to keep that positive one from touching the positive terminal. I'm going to do another piece back behind here just to keep that ground propped up while I remove this battery. That gives me some space to get this out of here. So that's the next step, is grab your two handles here and pull and remove this battery. So I'm probably going to have to put the camera down for that, but here we go. All right, so this is the new battery. Put it in. The old battery does have like a foam, like a little insulator or something around it. So I took it off the old one and put it on the new one. It's just a little sleeve that just slides off. So now I'm going to connect my strap back in, and then connect the positive, and then connect the negative. And then we'll start her up. All right, so I just found the hole there, tighten that back up. The strap is good and tight. So the next thing I'm going to do is hook this back up. And you'll hook the positive up first, and then your ground. So just get it lined up, and then again, probably need two hands for this, but just need to push that all the way down, and then tighten this little nut here. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to move on to the negative. All right, so I reconnected this bolt here. Still have this under there, that way it didn't cause any sparks or anything, but now we're going to connect that terminal. If the battery is brand new, there is a cover over the negative, so you'll have to remove that cover first. Should be pretty easy to get off. Should have probably done it before, but I'll get it off there. Yep, there we go. So yeah, it's just a little plastic cover. Take that off. Now you can see the terminal underneath. And there we go. So there we go. We're going to hook it up and tighten that down. All right. I'm going to tighten it down. Make sure they're really tight. You don't want them to come off. All right, I think it's good. I think it's good. Not going anywhere. We're all good here. So now we're gonna go in, start it up. So here we go. All right, we still got the error message, but that is just because we installed a new battery. It hasn't quite registered yet that the battery's good. You could either reset the battery control module, which is just a series of events that you have to do, and I can walk through that, but we'll go ahead and do it the manual way. All right, so you give it accessory power, you flash your headlights 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, press your brake pedal 3 times, and then you should see your battery flash, which it's flashing down there in the corner. So that reset my battery management system. And now let's turn everything off. Boom. All right. And now we're going to start the vehicle and see if we still get that error. All right. We received no errors. So there we go. So if you replace your battery, you need to reset your BMS, your battery management system. And then you'll see the little flashing battery down in the corner, and then you're good to go. So if you're having the problem where your interior lights aren't coming on when you open the door, or you're getting the error that says low power mode, battery shutting down because of low power or something like that, you need to replace your battery, and this will fix the problem. So hope this helps you out. Thanks for watching. See ya.